so excited to show you your brand new free charm pack pattern. I know you're gonna love it, so grab some charm packs from your stash and let's get started. This shortcut quilt is called Charm Pack Chili, and like all of our shortcut quilts, is fast, easy, and fun. I'm using Sunday Brunch by Basic Gray and white paper grunge for the background. You also need fabric that matches this for your border. There's a lap option, table runner option, and twin option, and don't forget, the Charm Pack Chili pattern is only available at Fat Quarter Shop and it is completely free. So the first part of the pattern is super easy. We're gonna be making 15 print 4 patches and 15 solid 4 patches. So super easy. You're just gonna take your fabric A squares and you're gonna do scrappy. Now on this pattern, you cannot starch the charm packs because you do need the full 5 inches. So you're gonna sew these together and you're gonna get an unfinished block of 9.5 inches. You're gonna do the same thing and you're gonna make 15 solid 4 patch units, and on that you're going to have 2 scrappy prints and 2 solid prints. Now of course, if you don't have a solid charm pack, you can cut up 5-inch squares from a background fabric for this piece. So 15 print, 15 solid. Now we're going to take all of our print 4 patches and we're going to draw a line from corner to corner, and since this is scrappy, it doesn't matter if you do it this way or this way, doesn't matter. Now from here, this time, usually you draw a line 1/4 inch away. This time we're gonna do 1/2 inch, which I don't think we've ever done in a video. So draw a line 1/2 inch away. So draw a line 1/2 inch away from the center on both. So from here to here, that's 1/2 inch, and from here to here, that's 1/2 inch. Then you're gonna take this, you're gonna layer it where the background is right here on the top and the bottom where your lines are. So you have this layered, and what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna cut on those outside lines. So this is totally different than we normally do. Keep these together, and then you're gonna discard this. Now from here, what you're gonna do is put these together, make sure they're lined up, line your seams up right here, and you'll just put a pin where both of these seams are, a pin at each end. You're gonna do that on both of these. Then we're gonna sew 1/4 inch away on both of these real quick. Okay, so now I've sewn this line, and you're gonna see you have these little tails right here. You're gonna trim those little pieces off so you don't have extra fabric in your seam. It's totally optional though. So you're gonna trim those off, set your seam, and then press to one side and then press open, and you're gonna want these seams right here to line up, which is why we press those. And then I'm gonna take this, iron it, and we're gonna trim it to 8 inches square. Okay, so now we wanna trim this to 8 inches, and you don't have to worry about where the center is, because when you start joining your blocks, these measurements right here do not need to line up. So I'm gonna take a square ruler that's 8.5 inches. I've got the diagonal line across the center, trim 2 sides, turn that over, and since I started with an 8.5, I just put this on the 8-inch line and trim 2 other sides. This is gonna give you a total of 30 blocks for your lap size, and then let's talk about assembly and placement. So remember when I said you didn't have to worry about these seams meeting, and you can see now you're just gonna place all your blocks with your diagonal this way. On the lap size, you're gonna lay out your blocks where there are 5 across and 6 down. Super fun, super easy, and remember, we used grunge for this background. Now, if you wanted, you could put a print on the outside. It just might be a little bit busy. We did a nice stripe on our binding, and we used a beautiful multicolor floral print from the line on the backing, and it's so pretty. I just love this pattern because it's quick, fun, simple, and free. I hope you love the brand new Charm Pack Chili free pattern and this cute little block. Comment and let me know what collection you're going to be using, and I'd love to know if you're going to use scrappy charm packs. That would be totally fun. Make sure you subscribe, and I'll see you next time.